Have you ever seen a pot this big in your life? I mean, look at the size of it. It's bigger than a swimming pool. Welcome to Amritsar, home of the largest Sikh temple in the world. Oh, wow. Look at this. Just take a moment. Maybe 100 people making chapati by hand. On an average day, over 100,000 people are fed here, and over 150,000 during holidays. And then another kind of lentil.
It's a gram pot
wow.
with a black pot.
I'm here to see how they do it. How does a place almost completely run with the help of volunteers and donations manage to provide unlimited food for visitors 24 hours a day? Welcome to the Golden Temple here in Amritsar. I'm with Simran. Thank you so much for joining me.
It's my pleasure.
Simran, a member of the Sikh faith, is guiding the way.
It's a rice pudding basically.
A rice pudding?
Yeah, rice pudding. In Punjabi language we can call kheer.
All that you see today was started with about 20 rupees and a few volunteers. I mean, look at all these people here to help. Now this kitchen could feed the entire town I grew up in a single afternoon. And it still manages to be one of the cleanest, most well-organized places I've ever been. I mean, you wonder, like, how can they make so much food in one day, but everything is so smooth.
So smooth.
Today we're getting a close-up look at the miracle that is Amritsar's Golden Temple. We are headed to the Sikh temple, but first we need to get our head covering, and so we are headed back here right now. Come with me. Right here, there's kind of like a turban shop.
Yes,
right?
It's a turban shop which helps you to tie up, to cover up your head.
All those who enter the temple must wear a head covering. It can be as simple as a handkerchief or a 4-meter long turban. This is the turban store that we've come to.
Basically, Sikh represent this color because it's an orange color. When you go to the Golden Temple or any other temple, you just can find out the flag which is flying here. It's also of same this color. It represents the color of Sikh community.
Do you wrap your own turban?
Yes.
I mean, if there's anyone you're gonna have tie a turban on your head, this guy.
Put it in your mouth and put very, very hard down off your teeth. The king is getting ready.
Can I talk yet? Sikh men must wear a head covering when in public, but the color and the length are up to the individual. Should I keep holding this in my mouth? I kind of need to host the show at some point.
He says it's a blessing of God. It's a blessing of God.
That feels sturdy. I like it.
Okay.
Thank you. Oh, should we do a little pose? Thank you, sir. Perfect. So we're ready to go to the temple now, right? Before entering the temple, we check in our shoes here. Then, before entering, we must wash our hands and then our feet. Washing our feet before entering, and then right here is entrance. The area inside the temple is massive, built around a holy pond. People worship here, collect water to take home, and some completely submerge themselves.
We are right now near the holy pond of Golden Temple. People are coming here and take a dip in a holy bath, and they feel that the almighties of God are blessing us and they are not sick, they are well. Amrit means holy water, pound means sar. So holy pound, Amritsar.
It seems all the guys are here. The women, are they over there?
Yes.
Because of modesty,
privacy. And like some special respect for the women. There is a separate area. They can take bath there, they can take bath that side.
So from here, we're gonna go see the kitchen, right?
Yes.
Right now we're headed to the kitchen. They have the langar going on right now, the meal. I mean, look at all these dishes. There's already thousands of bowls.
They are the volunteers who are just cutting vegetables.
All volunteers here. This is literally 100 volunteers here. Hello. Here they're peeling some garlic right here as all these people work together to make this meal happen. Thank you. Oh my Lord. Whoa, we have just entered the kitchen. So if you look to your left here, you can see a ton of people eating inside. And then on this side, just a huge vat of probably lentils. What is this one?
It's a rice pudding basically.
A rice pudding?
Yeah, rice pudding. In Punjabi language, we can call kheer.
This is only the serving area. We haven't even seen the kitchen yet. Wow. Immediately what I see, all this wood right here on this side. Here, they're stoking the flame. They have embers going and these giant pots. It's a giant pot. Underneath, they have the fire for whatever's cooking inside, but this is so huge. Hello, sir. What's your name?
Yeah, Charanjit Singh.
Nice to meet you. Sonny.
Sonny.
So here, I mean, I've never seen cooking vessels this big. It's bigger than a swimming pool. They have a faucet turned on, and even that would probably take an hour to fill this whole thing.
They cook daily rice pudding in this bowl, 2600 kg.
It's more than I can comprehend.
Yes.
It's more than I could eat in a year.
Yeah.
They're cleaning a pot that's already done cooking. Huge pot right here. What is this one?
It's called dal in Punjabi language. Dal means pulses. Gram pulse and black pulse are cooking together.
And we just want to hit the bottom.
Yes.
I see it coming up.
Look at there.
It's beautiful.
Beautiful aroma is coming out.
Yeah, it smells so good.
There is garlic and coriander, chili.
How long does it take to cook this from beginning to end? 3 hours.
Following. It's a unique recipe. You can try at your home also, but you can't cook such kind of thing because you are standing on that place which is a land of Guru Sahib, which is a land of God. All the recipes are of that God.
The recipe from God himself.
Yes.
Thank you so much. Such an honor to learn more. Thank you. Right now we're headed to where they make the chapati by hand. Maybe we can help them out a little bit. Volunteer? Oh, wow. I mean, look at this. Just take a moment. Maybe 100 people all coming here to help together, making chapati by hand so that there's enough food for the people who come here to eat. Let's go say hi. Each station, it has a kind of dough person.
And after that, it's going forward to another ladies. They can just put a dry flour on it. And after that, she's rolling and make the chapatis and put one by upon another.
Can we sit down somewhere
and
make some? We got a rolling pin right here. We've got our dough, and we can roll some of these.
Yes, do this first of all.
Oh yeah, please walk me through it. Wait, hold on, my balls not bad.
You are doing good.
So I want to ask a little bit more about the Sikh faith, people of the Sikh faith. I understand that there are certain things that a Sikh person must wear. Can you walk me through some of those? One of them is a turban.
Yes, we have to wear a kanga. It's a wooden comb. It's a wooden comb on our head. Another thing, we have to wear kada. This bangle is called kada.
I heard about like always having a blade or a knife.
Yes.
Is that true?
It's called kirpan. It's for the safety purpose. That if somebody is trying to harm you, you just have to protect yourself. But we are not ordered to misuse it.
Not everybody is doing that, just some people.
Not some people, many people.
Many people?
Like, many people.
Do you think he has a blade?
Yes. Uncle kirpan pai hai, amra shakya tusi? Look at there. Tusi bhi pai hai? Dikhana.
Whoa.
Look at there.
And so does she.
Dikhana.
Whoa.
Paji tusi bhi shakya na? Amrat, dikhana. Look at there. Look at there. Maximum number of people are wearing that thing.
I didn't know if this was like an older tradition that wasn't so common anymore, but that was a bit of a surprise. I'm a little scared to screw this up now. Everyone here has got a weapon. But how is this?
Yes, it's a perfect. But
oh God, thank God.
You just have to roll more.
Roll more, okay. Should I apologize? I'm sorry. I'm gonna get it flatter. I'm sorry, everyone. After all that preparation, we've got a whole cooking station here. We've got my man here. He takes the raw ones, he throws it up. She moves it down the assembly line. And by the time it gets over here, it's finally cooked.
Very, very fast because look at the heat is very, very high.
Tosses them all in a bucket down here.
Yes.
So fast. I mean, you wonder like, how can they make so much food in one day, but everything is so smooth.
They all are doing very systematically. Like they are just making doughs and rolling the chapatis. And they are just sprinkling on a tawa. Keep going, no end.
Even 3 in the morning.
Every time.
Somebody's here cooking.
Yes.
Wow, unbelievable.
After cooking, the bread is slathered with ghee to keep it from drying out and because ghee is delicious. Then the thousands of chapatis are transferred to the dining hall. The real miracle of this place isn't the unfathomable amounts of food they're producing each day. It's the principles upheld within these walls.
So we are in front of free kitchen like called Langar Hall where all people are coming and sit together. There is no such kind of partiality like you are a Hindu, you are a Sikh, you are a Muslim. There is nothing.
No matter your religion, income, gender, nationality, as long as you are a human with a beating heart, you may come here, sit shoulder to shoulder with others, and enjoy this meal at no cost.
You all are human beings. There is no any partiality.
Now, after having the privilege of seeing how this food is made, we get to experience it for ourselves.
This serving has begun already. What is this one?
It's a kidney beans. In our language, it's called rajma.
Thank you. This,
it's a water.
they have a machine here to fill up the water. And then another kind of lentil.
Like which we saw, it's cooking on that bowl. It's a rice pudding.
Thank you. There's so much food.
Yeah.
Is there any limit to what you can eat?
No limit. It's depend on your stomach. It's depend on how much hungry you are.
Should we try some?
Yes.
We've got the chapati here.
And dal.
Oh, that looks great. Perfect, so good. Savory, delicious, and the roti is so perfect. I'm so blown away right now.
Yes, no words.
The kidney beans.
Oh, kidney beans, yes.
It's so delicious.
Like he is coming and going, asking rajma. Means kidney beans. Do you want kidney beans?
There's such like a beautiful sense of community in here.
Yes.
Wow.
Look at around. All kind of guys are sitting. All are sitting together. There is no any partiality. That's called the Sikh religion.
I can tell you, we need more of this in the world. I came here for the experience, but also enjoyed some fabulous food.
After dinner, we drop off our trays, and that's when it really hits you.
Look at all these people here to help.
Witnessing firsthand the wide-scale, selfless contributions that go into making this kitchen possible. An army of volunteers collecting trays so rapidly it creates a thunderous roar.
You can hear this thunderous noise in here. All the people in here are volunteers helping out. Check it out.
Lines of men and women sending trays down 6 consecutive washing stations until they're carefully stacked and brought back to the entrance, ready to serve another meal.
Thank you so much for this incredible experience, man.
My pleasure, my pleasure.
Being able to be here with somebody of the Sikh faith and kind of see this whole experience through your eyes, and then of course seeing how all this food comes together to feed thousands and thousands of people every day. Such a treat for me. So thank you. And for you guys, this video was made possible by Onetrip Vietnam.
Onetrip is the highest rated tour company in Vietnam, doing tours from north to south in all major cities, including Hanoi, Nha Trang, Da Nang, Hoi An, and Saigon. You can experience food tours, adventure tours, and more.
To learn more about Onetrip, check out the links in the description down below. I will see you next time. A peace. Peace. All right, man. I'm all about peace now. Thank you. All right, let's go.